Okay, so I am going to do a video of how I lay my Schoology out. Sorry, I was getting all messed up there. So, how I set up my Schoology. So, if you look, when you go into Schoology, and actually, I'm going to show you a setting real quick because not very many people know that you can change this setting. So, when you go to if you click on your name up in the top right, so you've gone to fms.schoology.com, you're probably not able to see this video if you haven't done that, so I'm not going to show you how to get to Schoology. But if you go up and you hit settings, you can set homepage to. So if you just scroll down, and there's my email if you would like to see it. There's nothing on this page that you can't see, but and then you can either have it set to recent activity. Recent activity is where like your assignments will show up, anything that your teacher posts as an update will show up, or course dashboard. I like it to show up to course dashboard. And what that does is when I log into Schoology, this is what I'll see, is where I can just see all of my courses. I can still see upcoming assignments, like Tuesday, August 18th. That's the assignment. I'm recording this a few days early, but so that's the assignment that's due today when you're watching this video. So this will bring you to your courses page so that you can just click straight on your courses. So I'm actually recording this video for Math 8 and Algebra 1. They both look the same right now. It's just in the same first assignment. It's the days after that start changing. One other thing that I'll show you guys is if you can't see all of them because some of them have disappeared. So if you hit courses up at the top and then hit my courses, you will see courses pop up here. If you actually hit reorder, you can actually order them in order of your classes. So say you have Algebra 1 first, and then you have English, and then you have Science. You can actually order them so that when you click on this courses, it would be first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. That way you can actually, you don't have to remember your schedule as much. So if you have PowerSchool open, and then you choose and reorder your courses, you can order them in the order that your schedule is, and then you don't have to try to remember which one's first hour, which one's second hour. So I'm going to go ahead and just open this Math 8 section. And this is how I organize my course. So you'll always see a folder up here at the top that says important files and links. So if you click on that, you'll see Clever. Clever is what lets you log into all of the different applications that are used through all of your classes. And then Mathia, we'll be talking about Mathia in the next couple of days, but that's part of the new Carnegie curriculum since we're no longer using Agile Mind. So I'm going to click back, and yes, you can hear my dog barking again. So I'm going to click back. You can also hit this option right here so you don't have to click and wait for it to load the next page. You can click that little arrow and it will pull it up and you can click on those. Of course, yours won't have these gears right here and you won't have anything that says ungraded assignment. Good job to the person that's already recorded your video. Good job for the assignment. And that assignment isn't popping up over here yet because I haven't put the due date. But so if I click, you will notice the important files will always be at the top, and then it's going to say week 1. It'll say week of, and it'll say the dates. So say you were gone on August 5th, if we had class on August 5th, and you missed, you could go back and find the week that fell in, and then go and find. So once you click inside of the week, you will actually see that I do Tuesday, and then I'll do Tuesday's assignment. Then if we have Wednesday, and then if we have Wednesday's assignment, you would actually see Wednesday's assignment right there. One thing that I do want to show you, so I'm going to pull up one of my old courses just so you can see. So like right now, if I click on this, you can see I have today's goal, I have the agenda, so like the things that we are doing, and then the assignments. So what's actually due on Tuesday. But what will also happen is when you scroll down, you will have a video from YouTube right here. So I'm going to go to an old course just so that you can see what my page usually looks like and how I usually have a video. And yes, you can see all my PV stuff since I taught at PV. But so let me go to an old one. And then let's just look at this Q4 volume. So again, I'm clicking on the week. So you can see video 1, assignment 1. Actually, no, I want to click on a different. Sorry, should have known which one I wanted to click on before I started recording. So I'm just clicking on a random unit and a random week. And then if I click on a day, normally you will see, of course, I picked some that don't have a video. Don't you love it? Those dang teachers not being prepared, right? Okay, let's try that again. So let's try this one. Okay, so normally you'll have, like, you'll click on the day, and then, like I said, I changed the order a little bit since we're not actually in school now, or at least for now. And so you'll see agenda, and then when you click on underneath that, so once you've clicked on the day, you'll actually see the video. And yes, this is a YouTube video. Yes, I have my own YouTube channel. And I don't remember how many views I have. I don't keep up with it. But it will actually play the video in that screen. So you're not clicking on a link and it's taking you somewhere else. It's actually just right there for you. So you should have, after I get done recording this video, for today, Tuesday the 18th, you'll have the first video, which is the About Me, and then you'll have the second video, which is how Schoology is set up. Now, the last thing that you guys need to do is how to upload an assignment. So if you look in Math 8 and you click on this Tuesday assignment, I'm not going to click on it because it's going to show you who has already submitted, and I don't think that's fair to that person. But so if you actually click on that, you're going to get something that looks like this. Oops, I've already submitted that one. Let me try something else. Yeah, so you're going to get something that looks like this. This one, of course, has a video, but you're going to see the description up here for what you need in the video, or the if you don't feel comfortable recording a video in your PowerPoint or your Keynote or your Word document, just explaining. So you'll hit Submit Assignment. And then there's two ways you could do it. You could use Photo Booth and then export it, or you can actually just hit this video audio recording and do audio and video, or if you don't want me to see your face in the video, you could just do audio. You actually have to click, I believe, 3 times. So, oops, there I am again. And then you would hit Start Recording. And then I'm talking. Oops, and then hit Stop Recording. And notice it says uploading. When it's done uploading, you can hit Insert, but before you hit Insert, I always suggest you listen to it first. That way you know if your audio was working and if everything else. So you can go ahead and insert the recording. If you wanted to add any text to it, you could by just typing it in right there, and then you could hit Submit. So like I could say, here is my video, Miss Alonzo, and then I would hit Submit. That will actually submit your assignment for you. If you don't feel comfortable actually recording, you could hit the Create tab and you could just type out all of your information about yourself. And then again, just make sure you hit Submit. Sorry, my air conditioner's turned on. So that is how you will submit. You will go into Math 8 or Algebra 1. You'll click in week 1, and then you'll click on Tuesday's assignment, and then on the far right, you will see where it says submit assignment. And of course, always email me if you have any questions. My email address was that one that you saw that said malonzo@fms.k12.nm.us. Or you can always message me on Schoology. You can see that right before I started this recording, I got an email from somebody on Schoology. They come up to my regular email, or they come up on Schoology, which both notify me on my phone. So I always get those, and I can always help you. Okay, so let me know if you guys need any help.